Welcome to video number 198, and in today's video I'm going to use expectation maximization algorithm to replace missing values in a data set. Sometimes your data set may have many missing values, so we must ensure that the missing values must be missing completely at random. So if the data points are missing completely at random, then we can use the EM algorithm approach. And using that approach may enable us to replace the missing values, and that we can use for data analysis. So if we have missing data points, we can replace those missing data points by using EM algorithm approach. And replacing the missing values may help us to use the completely new data set for a standard data analysis that don't have the missing values. The new data set with replaced missing values is much better than the original data set that had missing values, and we can use the new data set for data analysis. My dear students, colleagues, and friends, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get timely notification about my latest videos that I'll upload for you. Now let me go to my data set that has many missing values, and I'll use the EM algorithm approach to replace the missing data points. So ladies and gentlemen, follow me and be attentive. I'll show you how to replace the missing values by EM algorithm approach. So for that purpose, I will open my data file. This is my data file, and if you see, there is data point missing here, there is a missing data point here, so there are many missing data points in this data set, and this data set contains almost, I think, 200 observations. Yes, there are 200 observations, and there are many missing values in this data set. So I am going to replace the missing values with the expectation maximization method, and that will give me another data set. So to do that, I'll click on analyze, go to missing value analysis, and since all my variables are scale variables, so I will shift all these variables into quantitative variables window, and then I will click on EM expectation maximization, and after that I'll click on EM again, and this time I will click on save complete data, and this data set will not have the missing value, so I should give it some name. Let me call it complete data set, no missing values. So I'll continue, and then I will press OK. So here are some of the statistics: univariate statistics, summary of estimated means, and so on. Now here are the results of the Little's MCAR test. I have already done that in another video, that is in 197, and since this value is greater than 0.05, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis. So the data points are missing completely at random. So now let me check the data set, and this is the data set that has the complete data set which has no missing values. Okay, so let me see this is the original data set, and let me see, this is there is a missing data point, speak 4, and speak 4. Now this is the expected value of the speaking score. This was missing in the original data set. Let me also see some other missing points. This is the original data, and here is the math score 3 for the observation number 3. So this is a missing data point, and its expected value is 45. So ladies and gentlemen, you see, by using the EM algorithm approach, I have now a complete data set in which we have replaced the missing values with the expected values, and now we can use this data set for data analysis, and this data analysis based on this complete data set must be much better than the data analysis based on this file in which there are missing values. This is so simple that we can use the EM algorithm to replace the missing values. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you saw and you understood how to do that. If you have any question, you can give a comment, you can ask me a question, and I would like to get back to you as soon as possible, and I will try my level best to answer your query. Thank you, and